Congratulations on completing this $100 Google AdWords certification training course. To wrap up the course, what I want to do in this lecture is take time to say thank you, recap on the value of this certificate, the process that you've just learned in order to become certified, and also show you how you can easily add another marketing certification to your CV in just 2 days. So firstly, let's start with the thank you. Thank you for being a student in this course and making it all the way to the end. Most people won't get this far, so really congratulate yourself for doing that. Now, in terms of this certificate, hopefully you've got one just like this with your name on it right now if you followed the process in the course. And to recap on the benefit of that having this tangible evidence of your AdWords skills can really help secure your next interview, promotion, or client, because you have that evidence to really separate you from the other people who can't really prove their skills in a tangible way. Now, as well as that, the benefit of getting certified is that it's a great formal exam training in order to really test your knowledge and learn how to use AdWords professionally and cost effectively. And for me, to be honest, this was the real reason that I took the exam to become certified, because it's very easy to lose money on AdWords if you don't know what you're doing. But now that you're certified and you have that knowledge, you're going to be a lot more profitable in your campaigns going forward. Now, looking back at the process, you'll remember that we really broke it down into 2 days. And the key exam strategy is really to use those practice questions. If you haven't taken the exam yet, just remember you've got this process. You've got access to those 200 practice questions for life as well. And I'll keep this course updated, so when you do need to come back and renew your certification, that you'll have those fresh questions there as well. One final thing that I'd like you to do as well is make sure that you leave a course review. If you found the course good, if you got certified, please let us know. I think it's very encouraging for other students as well to see that they can really get a result from this course. And the final thing is, if you do want to add another marketing certification to your CV, just check out my Google Analytics certification course. There is a discount link to it in the next lecture. It's the exact same thing, become Google Analytics certified in 2 days. The same idea, over 150 practice questions. So click through to the next lecture if you want to get your hands on that and check out the free videos, etc. So thanks again for being a student of this course, and I really look forward to seeing you in another course soon.